Okay. That's my loot, by the way. I put that right there, the chest. But yeah, that's my point. There's a secret room, little secret room right there. Crawl space or whatever you want to call it. But I use it as a space, a hidden space storage. And that's it.